You know, I have to say all us Muppets have been really enjoying all of these sweet and savory delights that Montreal has to offer. And I want to let you in on a little secret. I have just discovered a great all-you-can-eat buffet, also known as the Insect Exhibit at the Biodome. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's to croak for. Listen, you really have not lived until you've had an all-dressed horsefly. Mmm, the best. Well, it's not funny, but it's true. Anyhow, ladies and gentlemen, here to prepare a Quebec culinary classic, I would love for you to please put your hands together for the Swedish Chef.
For the scorn today for the Montreal, we're the storm to making the Poutine. Yep. So the first of the making the Poutine is the potato. For the storm the potato, and for the chopping the potato, chop and a chop the potato, and the toss the potato, and the meat the potato. For the potato in the pot, for the making the Poutine. And next for the Poutine is for the service. Oh, it's the very hot, very hot, the groovy. Very hot, the groovy, the shitty, the groovy. And the fern, the tasting the Poutine. Oh, no, it's the cheesy curtain. It's the cheesy curtain. There's the cheesy curtain in the soup. And the soup, there they go. There the cheesy curd. There the cheesy curd. There they go. Okay. And for now is the tasting the Poutine. Murdy Griffin. There's the starting Murdy Griffin. And we're gonna just grab first a person. Furnace and the Holy Griffin. Yep. And now we're tasting the Poutine. They heard a toucan.
Oh no! It's surprising how many times I've had to do this since we got here. Clear!
Whoa!
Clear! Clear!
Oh, they're tasting the Poutine.
Okay, Chef. They usually stop eating that stuff in Quebec after the first heart attack. Oh, my goodness. Boy. Ladies and gentlemen, the Swedish Chef.